Today we're gonna solder this board, but DigiKey and Mauser is out of STM32 F446 chips. So what I'm gonna do is remove this chip from my Turkmen 32 and resolder to this one. Just because my inner curiosity says remove it, put it here, and then when it's back stock and the DigiKey, just put a new one for here. So let's get started. So the chip, STM32 chip, is off finally, and I completely regret it, to be honest. It's very sad, but it is what it is. We are going to solder one of these, the rest of it gonna stay. So we're gonna start by opening the stencil, prepare the place, and then start putting solder paste on it. So right now we're gonna start putting all the components in this box on this, and this is gonna take some time, so bear with me. Right now we are at 179 degrees, target is 230, and the solder definitely started to melt. So as you can see, I soldered a few of the components, but not the main chip. So we're gonna clean that up and then resolder the main chip, and then some few adjustments, add some soldering. But other than that, everything looks fine. Right now, I just cleaned a few parts and then cleaned all the pads for this one, and then did a circuit check on all of these connections, which they are all good right now, hopefully. I just uploaded my first code and it is working. So it's just a blink code right now, but so it is turning on in 1 second, turning off in 1 second. It is working, but let's try to upload a new code. So we reset and put it in boot 1 mode, and then all we gotta do is do a 500 in the code and 500 over here, and then uploaded. So uploading the code, erasing, downloading. Okay, now it's blinking faster. It works. Nice.